How's it going? My name is Olaf with Resilience Glass. Today I'm mirroring cabinet doors and representing Cafe La Fonda, best Mexican food in Santa Barbara. So one thing that you need to know is that to mount mirrors on closet doors in a bathroom, because behind the scenes over here in this bathroom, there's going to be a frameless shower, double-headed, so there'll be steam in the shower, which causes moisture in the air. You have to use Gunther's Ultra Bond so that the mirror doesn't ever fall off the wall, cabinet, whatever you might be mounting a mirror to. You want to use a special kind of mirror mastic that's called Palmer's Ultra Bond. Also, the reason why I glue mirrors in bathrooms or in any area of the house is because in the event of an earthquake, or if the mirror ever has something fall against it, it stays intact on the wall, on the surface, and nobody gets hurt. You want to push on the mirror mastic so it spreads out. That's why I put the mirror mastic in little balls. And that's how you mirror shaker style closet doors. Thank you.